Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers Team. We're out here on day one in Olathe, Kansas. What we have on this project is, at the moment, approximately 16 King Pier IIs that we're going to be installing under the footing. We're going to do the majority, probably a little over half of those from the inside here. The foundation wall is only about, stomach high. So it should be a fairly shallow dig if we come in here and just saw cut our hole and then do the digging instead of starting from the outside. Shouldn't be very deep either way, but we're going to try to knock out as many from inside as we can, especially due to the weather today. So pretty much all along those walls that you saw here, along this one as well, finally right here. Inside the garage, you can see how much the home is pulling away towards that direction. You can see that gap right there between the garage floor and the foundation. So we're going to be remedying that. We got a number of cracks here inside the floor. So more than likely from the outside, we're going to do around here. Got another 5 or 6 going there. So, and then at the very least, we're gonna have a support pier right there, because the one that we do from the outside on this corner is gonna end up bringing that upper section back towards the wall here. So that is about it at the moment. So today we're just going to try to get the exterior wall started. We're going to get all the interior piers saw cut and jackhammered out, get the digging started on that. Since so many are from the inside, we should be able to get all the holes at least finished up by the end of this week, beginning of next week at the very least, and then just get the piers and get the piers installed, lifted, concreted in, and we should be able to, at least as of now, looks like we'll be able to finish this up by the end of next week. So stay tuned for more updates. You can find all of those picture and video updates on our YouTube and Facebook channels. Just search for King Piers LLC. Please give us a like and subscribe if you have not already. We really appreciate that. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And of course, you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.